Hi, thanks for checking out our channel. This is going to be kind of a, I don't know, semi-quick video maybe. What we're going to do to this one is we've got the unit's working. We got the unit fixed up and ready to go. I've got videos of how to work on these things already, so I'm not making a video of how to fix the unit itself. You can just do a Google search or YouTube search and find plenty of our videos about this unit already. But this unit's working fine, but I went to tighten the test it and then put the knobs back on there. They won't tighten up. They just kind of, they get so far and they just keep spinning. So I took it apart and I'll show you what's going on. Alright, so here's what it's doing. It comes on, you know, see the knobs just spin, spin, and spin. See, that one's just so far and it just keeps spinning. So what's going on, there's a bolt. Now I can't get the thing to loosen back up. It's stuck on the, it's stuck, it's just spinning. I can't get the thing to loosen up. There's a nut or a bolt that goes all the way through the case. Let me unplug some of these wires. I don't want to do too much because I've already done take this thing apart 3 times already. Once to fix it, once to see what the hell is going on, and now third time to show you what we're doing to do to fix it. But let's pull this board out of the way. We're gonna do these 2 screws here. That's holding this board in place. Set them down here. Oh, I got a zip tie down here. I need to loosen up and get out of the way. Get this board out of the way for just for a second. But there's this bolt here. It goes all the way through the case on both the hot and the ground, and you can see this whole. If you look at this bolt, the whole thing just spins. It won't tighten up. So easy fix. I gotta get that bolt to stay put first, so I can get the knob off. There's a nut behind these washers here. We gotta tighten them up. Sometimes those washers get in the way. That's not a factory washer. Someone's added that to it. There's a factory. No, that's not the factory one either. Well, nope, that's not the factory one either. So the washers must have fallen out, and you put other ones in there, which is fine, not a big deal. This one's a lot more bigger hole into the wall around. The other ones are like precisely made for that one, that bolt there. There's a little nut there. So basically now what I got to do is make sure that this piece right here is the piece that our transformer plugs onto right here. So make sure it stays where we want it, which is right there. I'm hoping that we can we might put some kind of pair of pliers on the inside to hold that bolt still. Let's see if we can tighten this nut up. It doesn't be super tight, but you gotta make it snug. Now we'll do the same thing over here. Make sure this thing stays in place. Take this knob off. Okay, this one's got 2 washers on it like the other one did, so we'll take those 2 washers off. Those are the factory ones. A lot smaller hole than that other one was. Take these pair of pliers. Now we're good to go. Ground goes on this one. Now it tightens up. Fence goes on this one. The red knob goes on this one. There was our fence. Take this board, slip it up underneath. Like that over there. Get that up underneath this little metal tab thing there. Now I set up, oops, see that thing's cockeyed on me, now the screw holes don't line up. I think that's gonna work. That one will work there. Same thing over here. Get those two little screws. Those lined up. Now we can reassemble. Let's get a little cable tie to hold that wire where we want it so it doesn't move around too much. Shit. Completely missed the wire. There. Now I got you. Okay. So let's plug the wire back in there. I'll take transformer wires plugged back in as well. And then we'll take that little wire, plug it in down here. This unit's I've already fixed the actual unit itself, so it's going to work just fine when we plug it in. It was working fine before, putting out good power and clicking, showing all the lights and stuff, but that knobs wouldn't tighten up, so that was what I was having trouble with. There it goes. Alright, well, we're done with this one. We'll shut it down and go grab another one. Thanks for watching. See you later.